In the process of researching this platform, I found a way to make money faster, which is to get a higher team commission. This is how the team commission is calculated. I calculated that if I could recommend 10 VIP1 users, I could take 9% of their daily revenue, or $45. These 10 users each recommend 10 VIP1 users, so I get 6% of the daily revenue of 100 customers, which is $300. For each of those 100 VIPs and 10 referrals, I get 3% of the daily revenue of 1,000 VIPs, which is $2,000. That brings my daily income, plus my commission, to $2,395. I can earn $71,850 a month. So I decided to recharge tomorrow. Then just click on mine, copy the recommended link, share it to Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, or send it directly to your friends.